Now, drones are applied everywhere for all kinds of activities. But you must have seen drones are now used even in committing offenses. You have all kinds of illegal drones entering into our area. And so now you have drone guards. Earlier, the drone guard used to be, suppose some unknown drone has entered our territory, then you will send another drone with a kind of a magnetic system. So that will attract the illegal drone, and the moment that illegal drone collides with the drone I have sent, there will be collision, and then because of the collision, that drone will break into pieces. So we were destroying the illegal drone entering into our area. But now forensics has developed. They say there's no need to destroy it. Now you need to capture the drone in as such original form. So now present systems are, we call it drone guard, anti-drone system, etc. They, without sending a drone there, take the position of the illegal drone through radars, etc. They check, and then the illegal drone comes into your possession, and now forensically this needs to be analyzed. And then you analyze that he was the person who sent the drone. These are the activities the drone has carried out so far. This was the ultimate goal or the aim of the drone. And the ultimate charter given to the drone was this. And now you have the total information. And now based on this information, you can prevent, oh, this was sent for this particular purpose. That was the target. Now you can secure the target to see that no other method is applied to destroy the target. And this area, we have given the name drone forensics, forensic analysis of drone. So drone forensics is a part of preventive forensics.
Knowledge, wisdom, fulfillment, education through investigation. National Forensic Science University.